What's up, y'all? It's your girl Randa G here with another video. So it is 4th of July. I am headed over to my sweet man's family house. We're gonna cook out. I had to make some macaroni. I cleaned up this morning a little bit, as y'all saw, and now I'm just about to chill, head over there, relax, and have a good time. It is HOT. My car says it's 98 degrees. It's so hot, y'all. I think they want to go swimming like after we eat or later. We'll see what happens. Of course, I'm bringing my camera with me. I have my new tripod, which I love. But yeah, it's just real hot. So right now, me and Chandler, we're just on the way to the house to get to some good AC. And then, of course, I'll pick up the camera, let y'all know what's going on and all that good jazz. Deal? Deal.
I'm hungry.
Oh.
It feels like it's so long.
Where's the speakers at?
Girl, I asked Mom, where's the karaoke machine?
Oh. Me? When Mimi was at that dance?
What song was it? What song was it? It was Kodak.
It was Kodak.
I touch that fine for you. I do that 3 more times again. I testify for you. I told I like you, that bitch. I do it all, and I'm around. You're scared to do. I'm not. As long as you joking now in for me, I ain't got it. I've been scheming, looting, hide your body. As long as you dreaming about me, ain't no problem. I don't got nobody just with you right now. But the truth, I look better under you. I can't lose.
Thank you so much.
You, how can I lose and miss the moment?
It is very hot. Definitely feel like it's 98 degrees right now. Yeah, so I have on shorts from Fashion Nova, my Louis Vuitton belt. Shirt is from, oh, I'm doing.
Shirts from what?
Shirt is from Express. Shades are from Amazon.
Yes. Oh,
Get into it.
Apple Watch band.
Oh, Amazon.
Okay, your
And
bracelet.
then Alex and Ani.
Shout out to the nail artist. Who is
Oh,
it?
yeah. Shout out to Brent.
You have to put her Instagram or something.
Yeah, she did so good.
Yeah. Eyelash tech.
Lashes by Nadia.
Okay. Earrings.
Oh, Express.
Okay.
They should. Y'all need to sponsor me.
Oh, shoes.
Oh, Rainbow. So many freaking. Okay, you ready?
Is it recording?
Yep.
Hi, guys. I have a hidden talent. If y'all don't know, clearly I have a hidden talent. And now I'm gonna float on my stomach. I'm gonna act like she's drowning.
Oh. Oh. Yeah, girl. Oh, Lord.
Bye, guys.
Ooh, okay, y'all, we went to the pool. I did not change into my swimsuit. I'm just gonna put my feet in the water. And then we have Joe and Melanie are in the pool. They playing shark right now. It's so funny. So Joe's the shark. Melanie got to get away. Bless it. Now I'm just chilling, getting my tan on. I did put on my Black Girl sunscreen so I don't get burnt. But yeah, we're just gonna chill at the pool. I doubt we'll be here for long because, like I said, y'all, it's hot. It's like 98 degrees right now.
Bless up, bless up, bless up, bless up, bless up. As soon as I wake up in the morning, I see dollar signs. It's the only thing that's on my mind. Other than pussy, you can't broke me. All these poor faces on me, I feel like Turkey. Counting back on the clothes I need where they at. If I leave the house, I can't say when I'm coming back. Ain't no sentiments, I just walk out and blow some grass. You can smoke what you want, bro, just crash some pack. Look at this bitch all over me. Look at my wrist all froze. Look at my shirt from overseas. That'll make me no hoe. That'll make me more hopeful. Everywhere you go, they know you.
Macaroni and cheese. No, baby girl.
Oh my gosh, that macaroni and cheese made me sleepy. That's how you know it's good.
That's not true.
When a food makes you sleepy, that's how you know it's that good. I'm taking over Miranda's vlog because I just want to, you know. But yeah. Yeah?
glad you called.
I'm so glad you're free.
Okay. Close your eyes. Okay. Oh, don't worry.
Mommy. What you got us watching?
I don't know the fifth one.
Whoa, whoa, yeah. Look at me dead in my eyes. I know that you know that a nigga ain't lying. Too much respect. All of my shorty BDs, they know not to try. Too much respect. I used to hand out CDs before they would buy. Whoa, she love me so much, it seem like she buys. Niggas don't know how I live, but that's cause they live it to hide. Hey. 4S13, stepping on shit to this pride. He brought me the money sealed up, I still had to count it, I cannot just hide. Whoa, 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 yeah, let's have sex in the bank. Telling her open a safe. I hate a privileged rapper who don't even know what it takes. The diamonds they hit like a rainbow, that's cause the necklace a frame. Heard, whoa, 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 yeah, let's have sex in the nines. Do it, breaking and bending the spines.
Okay, y'all. So I am back home. I'm actually just chilling on the balcony right now. As you saw, I was just talking to my mom. Me and Chandler are just hanging out. So it actually started raining and thunder and lightning out of nowhere. That thing was crazy. Was not expecting that. But anyway, I'm back home. I took a shower and I think I'm just gonna chill out a little bit. I mean, I don't really think anybody really care about fireworks. We didn't buy any, so that's probably not what's gonna happen, seeing fireworks. I'm not gonna lie, I think I'm just gonna end the vlog right here. Hopefully I got enough content to get y'all a good like 12-minute video. But we'll see. Like I said, the day kind of got cut short with the storm and all, so. But hit like and subscribe, turn on your notifications so you don't miss the next video. See y'all next time.